Alright, what up, thick niggas? We're doing another food review today. It's been a long time since I've done a food review. It's heat though. This shit's about to be heat. Today we are reviewing the KFC donut and chicken sandwich. This shit looks like heat, but that hell is about to be hella messy. I'm not even looking at the camera. Of course, I never do. This shit's about to be hella messy. Let's just get straight into it. Yee yee. Oh jeez. Hold on. The donut is breaking. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Dude, I can't even pick it up. This shit is hefty. Ugh. It looks like it got nutted on. Holy fuck. Look at that. That shit's hard. Alright, let's get into it. Let's do. Oh, fuck me again. Ah. I got my bib on. Let me take it off. No, I ain't eat the whole thing. That's a big ass sandwich. Can't look at the camera. That's a big ass sandwich. Oh, it's heat. It's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I just can't get my big ass gorilla hands around it, man. Second bite. All right. Oh yeah. That's heat. Oh. I just wish the, hold on. I just wish the chicken wasn't so bulky, so I can bite into it easier. But, I'm gonna have to give this, there's the bite, so you don't think I'm a pussy and just only ate the donut. No, you can see the chicken cross-section. I'm gonna have to rate this. This is an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Woo, 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 woo. It's pretty high. It's decent. I recommend it. I don't recommend it for people that have diabetes. I don't have diabetes, so I'm fine. I'm Gucci. It may look like I don't have diabetes, but I don't. You say I have diabetes, you can get these motherfucking hands. I'm telling you. Straight up. But yeah, that's going to do it for this food review. I'm going to see y'all thick niggas later. Peace!